Hey, I'm Paul with Custom Dynamics, and today we're going to be installing our new ProBEAM Amber White Dynamic Ringz on this 2014 Ultra Classic. Utilizing advanced LED technology, the ProBEAM LED turn signals maximize performance with unique reflector technology and automotive-grade LEDs composed in a sealed unit for superior reliability. ProBEAM turn signals utilize automotive-grade LEDs to produce an even brighter output with wider viewing angle. The outer ring of 24 white ProBEAM LEDs cast a smooth white halo that functions as the running light, while 12 center amber LEDs function as the turn signal. When a turn signal is activated, the white LEDs turn completely off for the entire turn signal cycle, providing greater visibility to the amber turn signal. ProBEAM turn signals include smoke lenses. They're DOT and SAE compliant, made in the USA, and backed by the Custom Dynamics lifetime LED warranty. They're sold as a pair, and additional lenses can be purchased separately. A smart signal stabilizer or load equalizer may be required when converting front or rear signals on a 2013 or earlier Harley Davidson model. To get started, locate the groove in the stock turn signal lens. Gently pry off the lens and remove the stock incandescent bulb. Going around the perimeter, push the stock black gasket backwards to get a better fit. Position the new ProBEAM Amber White Dynamic Ringz into the socket. Twist the wires to prevent them from being pinched, then remove the protective film from the new lens and position it so the groove is located at the bottom of the housing. Perform the BCM resync by running the 4-way flashers for 3 to 5 minutes. Check everything for proper operation. Now you're ready to roll. ProBEAM Amber White Dynamic Ring turn signals are a simple upgrade to your bike that will make a big difference for any rider. You can check out the entire ProBEAM family of products at CustomDynamics.com or by visiting your local Drag Specialties dealer.